Hey everybody, welcome back to part 2 of my GDS learning journey. Happy to have you aboard. Today we're going to look at 2 different wiring options to wire the Grandstream GDS 3725 as a relay to trigger an electric lock. I do have an electric lock here, so we're going to take a look at those 2 options in a minute. But first, I do want to say in full disclosure, I am not an electrician. This is just what I came up with from trial and error, watching a few videos and reading the Grandstream documentation, which I will link down in the video description. So if you're going to proceed with something like this, you're doing it at your own risk. Otherwise, if you're not comfortable, please consult a certified electrician. So the first thing I wanted to figure out was, what are all these little terminals on the back of the GDS 3725 used for? I didn't know what they were, but I come to learn that you have to know NO, which stands for normally open, and NC, which stands for normally closed. And that's because there are 2 different ways to wire this relay for what is called fail secure, which when there's no power to the electric strike, the strike will remain closed and the door will remain locked. And when you apply power, the lock will let go and the door will open. As opposed to fail safe, when there's no power, the lock will remain open, and then when you apply power, the lock will close. So I learned that, and we're going to go over those 2 different wiring diagrams. But first, I want to give you a demonstration of fail secure versus fail safe. All right, so the lock that I'm using here can be set to either fail secure or fail safe. Right now it's in fail secure mode, meaning when there's no power, the lock is closed and will not open the door. When power is applied, the lock will let go and the door will open. So I'm using a 12-volt variable power supply, which I got on Amazon. I'll also put a link to that down below. When I apply power to the lock, you can hear it click, and now you can see the lock is open. When I remove power, the lock will go back to the locked position. In fail safe, it's just the opposite. Without power, the lock would remain open, and when you apply power, the lock will close. So let me do it. Let me change this lock to fail safe. Okay, so now the lock is in fail safe mode. Don't have any power applied to it, and the strike is unlocked. So now when I apply power to fail safe, it will lock the strike. And now you can see the door is now locked. If I take power away, the door is now open. Looking at the wiring diagram for fail secure, this is when the lock will remain locked without power. All right, before we go any further, I just want to point out that these wiring diagrams are strictly for setting up the GDS as a relay and controlling the power going to and from the electric lock. It's also assumed that you will be powering up the unit using power over Ethernet. Also, let me know down below in the comments whether or not you have a facilities video door station or you plan on getting one for your place of business or home. All right, now back to the video. So we're looking at the power adapter. Now it says 24 volts, but I'm only using 12 in actuality. The positive from the power adapter goes to the positive lead on the door strike. Then the negative lead on the door strike goes to NO1 on the GDS 3725. And then the COM1 comes out and goes to the negative lead on the power adapter. Also, to avoid surge going back to the GDS 3725, it's important to install a diode across the positive and negative terminals of the door strike. And the band on the diode usually goes towards the positive side. So in fail safe, the positive from the power adapter is going to COM1 into the GDS, coming from NC1 out of the GDS into the positive lead on the door strike, and then the negative lead on the door strike goes to the negative lead on the power adapter. And again, don't forget to install the diode with the band pointing towards the positive side. All right, so there's a look at 2 different wiring options, fail secure and fail safe, to wire up the GDS 3725 as a relay to open or close the electric strike. If you got any value from this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel so you can see more content like this. And if you'd like to see more right now, please click the video on the screen, and thank you so much for watching.